Welcome to our third video in the Global Selling series, where we'll walk you through the steps to choose the best fulfillment method for your business as you expand globally with Amazon. We'll cover the logistics tools and services Amazon offers to support your expansion journey. If you're still unsure where to expand your business or how to list your selection, please watch our first two videos, Global Selling Step 1 and Step 2, in Seller University. Before diving deeper into fulfillment topics, let's discuss the various aspects of global shipping you need to be aware of. Shipping to a different country may require additional steps and procedures, such as product compliance and understanding export and import requirements. You can use Amazon resources, including the Compliance Reference Tool, help pages and resources in Seller University, such as our cross-border logistics video, as well as third-party providers for support. Let's start with your fulfillment options. You have the flexibility to choose the option that best aligns with your business needs, or even combine methods to optimize your approach. First option is Merchant Fulfilled Network. With MFN, you manage the storage, packing, and shipment of your inventory to customers. Your other option is Fulfillment by Amazon. With FBA, you send your inventory to our fulfillment centers and we store it for you. We then pick, pack, and ship all orders directly to your customers. Let's delve into details of MFN. MFN allows you to manage the storage, packing, and shipment of your inventory to customers. You are also responsible for handling customer returns and managing customer service inquiries. When shipping from abroad, it's essential to set clear expectations for your customers by providing accurate information about the shipping origin and shipping times. Now let's move to FBA. With FBA, you simply ship your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers and we handle the rest, picking, packing, and shipping all orders directly to your customers. This also means your products are eligible for the Prime badge, offering fast, premium shipping to your customers. FBA takes the logistics off your plate, so you can focus on growing your business. Plus, we manage local returns and customer service inquiries. Leveraging Amazon's scale and efficiency through FBA can be a real game changer, freeing you to concentrate on product development and marketing. Whether you opt for MFN or FBA, you will need to find a way to ship your products. You can do so using a third-party carrier or one of our bespoke solutions. Let's look at some of Amazon's tools that might help you. 1. You can use Send PCP for small parcel air shipments from UK, Germany, China, and India to the US. 2. You can use Amazon Global Logistics for ocean shipments from China to the US and Europe. 3. You can use Amazon Ocean Freight Program, which can support shipments from the UK and Germany to the US. If you're looking for a single consolidation point in the US that offers bulk and cheaper storage, consider using Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, an Amazon-run logistics program offering you long-term upstream inventory storage in the US. If you use this service with FBA, we will automatically replenish your inventory into FBA fulfillment centers as well as other stores. Based on your destination store, there may be additional services and programs available. Please check the designated Seller University pages for further information. Lastly, if you need support to manage your logistics overseas, you can leverage our service provider network available in Seller Central. SPN allows you to discover third-party service providers offering inventory management, international shipping, returns management, FBA shipment preparation, and excess inventory management. To learn more about SPN, please visit sell.amazon.co.uk/SPN or find it in Seller Central. Be sure to check out our global selling content on Seller University to learn more about the steps. Thank you and happy selling on the Amazon store.